A high-stakes political storm is brewing as fresh allegations of an internal conspiracy against Chiwenga surfaced, sent shockwaves through the political landscape. The report brought to light by Zim HD News in their latest investigative upload titled "Inside Plot Against Chiwenga" details the clandestine maneuvers aimed at undermining the standing of the nation's most powerful figures. This revelation forces a critical examination of the fragility of current power structures and the hidden agendas operating within the corridors of influence. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnaomba kwa mchinzi inside plot against Chiwenga, unmasking the power struggle. And the situation stems from long simmering tensions that have recently reached a boiling point, as outlined in the Zim HD News report. For months, observers have noted subtle rifts in political environment, but this video marks a significant escalation by explicitly labeling these movements as a coordinated plot against Chiwenga. The background of this narrative is rooted in the complex interplay of internal factions and the constant jerking for position that characterizes the current governance climate. By focusing on the mechanics of this alleged plot, the report provides a window into the secretive world of political maneuvering. Analyzing the claims presented by Zim HD News requires a deep dive into the motivations behind such calculated efforts. The inside plot against Chiwenga narrative is not merely a rumor, it represents a fundamental challenge to the status quo. If these claims hold weight, suggests that the mechanisms of power are being tested by those who perceive an opportunity to shift the balance in their favor. This analysis views the video as a piece of evidence in a much larger ongoing struggle for dominance, highlighting how internal friction can threaten the stability of the entire institutional framework. To my developments arubuda pangwa inoi our museumnews.live ina comment section medu za fungura email to deba page. So subscribe or like, check out the bell icon.